Today I'll show you how to unpublish a WordPress page, and we'll show you a few different ways that you can do this. This might be good if you've set up maybe a sales page or a page that you just don't have or need on your site anymore, or maybe you want to make it private. I'll show you a few different methods. The best way to do that is let's head over to all pages. And the first method is just by unpublishing a single WordPress page. So you can pick the page that you want to edit, and we'll click on edit. And from here, you see this area up here where it says switch to draft. So we want to click switch to draft mode. And once we do that, it is now in draft status, meaning that it's not published and no one can see this unless they're logged into your site. Now, if you don't need this anymore, you can take it even one step further and decide to move it to trash. Now note, if that page is ranking for things, or if people are coming to that page, you'll also want to set up a redirect. And I have a whole video on how to set up redirects using All-in-One SEO. You can check out that video here. Now, method 2 is if you need to unpublish several pages at once. Let's do that next. So I'm going to click on a few items that I don't need anymore. And once you click on them from your pages section, we can go to bulk action and we can click edit and apply. And that will bring up bulk edit. We can choose to change all of these items here, including the status. So the status we want to change to draft, and let's click update. And now all three of those pages will go into draft status. Same as before. If you also want to delete them, then we can go into drafts to only pull up whatever is in draft, and we can pick the ones that we just put in draft status. We can do bulk action, and we can move to trash and apply. As soon as we click apply, now we see our trash can is up by 4, the 3 that we just did, and then the one single one that we did. If you want to remove those completely, we can click on the trash can, click all of them, bulk action, and delete permanently if we don't want them. Click apply, and then all of those will be gone. Now, what if you just need to make them, say, a private or password protected page? The easiest way to do that is by going in and editing the page that you're working on. And over under status and visibility, if this isn't shown, you can make this a drop down and you can see that it's public. From here, you can say private, only visible to site admins and editors, or you can also password protected. So only anyone who has a password for the page will be able to view it. So for this one, I'll show a password, add a very secure password to this, and then you can click update, go back to all pages, and then you'll notice that it says password protected. Similar thing will happen if you set it to private. So if I go into, say, account, and for this one, I want it to be private. And then if I go back to all pages, then again, you'll see password protected, and we see that this one is private. And then the final method is if you're setting up a membership site and you only want members of your program to be able to see this, you can use something like MemberPress, where only certain members of a group or a setup of a program that you have can see that. To see exactly how you can do all of that, make sure you watch this video next as I walk you through step by step on how to set up a membership site in WordPress, and I'll see you over there.